Such books and registers, together with records, vouchers, and other supporting papers and documents prescribed by the BIR, kept by taxpayers, shall be preserved intact, unaltered, and unmutilated. So, ang preservation po ng ating books of accounts, pati po yung mga resibo natin, accounting records po ang tawag doon, ay 5 years under our Ease of Paying Taxes Act starting 2024. Ngayon, hindi po namin nire-recommend yung 5 years lang. In our own experience sa ating ibang mga taxpayers na ino-audit ng BIR, pwede pong umabot hanggang 10 years. So, we recommend po na 10 years nyo na lang po yung i-preserve yung books of accounts nyo and other accounting records. Kasi pag na-audit po tayo ng BIR, pwede po yung prescription ng assessment ng BIR ay maging 10 years from the date of the discovery of fraud, falsity, or failure to file tax returns. Pumasok yung Ease of Paying Taxes Act. Ang sabi, 5 years na lang daw siya. That's good news. However nga, for the purpose of tax audit na ikakandak ng BIR, just in case lang, ang finding ng BIR ay fraud or false yung ating tax returns, gawin nyo na lang 10 years. Sundin nyo na lang yung old natin na batas sa preservation ng books and records. First 5 years, hard copies, huwag nyo munang itapon, huwag nyo munang sunugin. Second 5 years, soft copies na lang. Magkano kayo mag-scan copy? Scan nyo yung mga books of accounts nyo, tapos yung mga records niyo, scan nyo, tapos i-save nyo sa Google Drive nyo para wag lang sa memory card, wag lang sa USB, wag lang sa computer kasi baka masira yung makorap yun. I-save nyo rin sa cloud storage nyo. Kami, we have cloud storage, Google Drive. Meron akong annual subscription sa Google Drive. So, doon nakasave yung mga files namin. Just in case masira yung computer ko, masira yung hard drive, o yung USB, masira, makorap, at least meron akong backup sa cloud storage sa Google Drive.